Camp Griddlemore, we have had a cold and brutal winter thus far here in New Jersey. We have had wind, we have had snow, we have had ice, we have had all of those things, and we are just a bunch of soft New Jersey boys. So we have been cooking inside my house on the Blackstone E-Series, which has been awesome, but today is a gorgeous winter day. So Sean the camera guy and I, and my dog Maverick, and my buddy Casey, all decided we'd head to the beach and meet up and make a simple and easy stir fry right on the back of my truck. So let's do Jeremy's 6-ingredient stir fry right here at the beach on this perfect winter day with nobody else around for miles and miles. So let's get camping and let's get cooking. Camp Griddlemore, we're about to get started on our 6-ingredient stir fry, which includes peppers, onions, carrots, broccoli, steak, and rice. And I realized that for the first time ever on this show, I completely forgot one of the ingredients. I left the rice at home. And there's no walk of shame here, okay? I can't walk back to my house and get it. We're gonna have to hightail it to the nearest Chinese restaurant, grab some rice, come back out here, and make a late lunch instead of an early lunch. But we're gonna show you our 6-ingredient stir fry, but let's go get some rice. Onward. Let's go get some rice. Hi, can I just have a quart of white rice? All good?
Yeah.
Thank you. In and out, 10 seconds. Let's go back to the beach. We've got our rice.
Yeah, isn't that like, they just cooked that rice?
Well, yeah, it's warm rice. It's hot rice.
Isn't it supposed to be like day-old rice when you do stir fry?
You want me to go back in and ask for day-old rice? We're gonna run with this. We are back, and it is a miracle that we found a Chinese place nearby, because considering we are in New Jersey, we are kind of in the middle of nowhere right now. So let's get started with our 6-ingredient stir fry. We need to season up our steak. For shaved steak like this, you're going to want to make sure that you peel it apart a little bit at the beginning so it doesn't clump up too badly while you're cooking. And of course, you can pull it apart while you're cooking on the griddle. We're also going to go down with a generous amount of the SPG on this to give it a little bit of seasoning. Now for ingredient number 2, let us slice up some of our colorful baby peppers. And for ingredient number 3, we're gonna use some broccoli florets, but I like to cut these up a little bit smaller because my kids don't like huge chunks of broccoli, but if I cut them up, they're always willing to eat them, and then I'm now in the habit of doing it that way too. So let's cut them up small. For ingredients 4 and 5, we are using some pre-diced onions and some pre-shredded carrots to make this a really fast and quick and easy stir fry. And ingredient number 6 is our rice from #1 Chinese food, my favorite Chinese restaurant in the entire world.
At least today.
At least for today. Let's get our steak on the griddle on high heat, and we are gonna pull it apart a little bit more, and we're gonna get it cooked about to like 75% level. And then on the other side of the griddle, we're gonna go down with our broccoli, we're gonna steam it with some water and cover it with our basting dome, because that needs to soften up more than our other veggies. Now that our broccoli has softened up nicely, we can go down with the rest of our veggies. We're gonna go down with our peppers, our onions, and our carrots. Love the colors that we're getting there. And once those soften up a little bit, we can add in our rice from our favorite Chinese food restaurant in all of America. Now it's time to stir all of our delicious ingredients together on the griddle top. I'm gonna go about 3 more minutes this way before I add the bachans. I don't put too much bachans down because my theory is you can add more later and each individual person can decide how much they want. So pretty much a light dusting of the bachans, which is so delicious and adds so much flavor. Now let's use our griddle scoop and get this delicious stir fry into 3 bowls, 1 for Sean, 1 for Jeremy, and look who just showed up. Casey Webb pulling in just on time to eat again. For the 2nd time in Camp Griddlemore history, Casey Webb shows up literally right when the food is done, man.
I'm known for my timing.
We've been talking about like for a month about getting to the beach as soon as the weather was good, just to hang out and cook, and here we are. Cheers. So let's dive in. Cheers.
Oh, good. I started without you.
6-ingredient stir fry. Did you get lost on your way here?
I got lost on my way here. It's so beautiful on that side where the sunshine is. So I was over there for
You were over on the bay side.
I was bay side.
We told you to meet us ocean side.
Oh my God. This is really good. And it's warm.
It is warm. 6 ingredients: steak, peppers, onions, carrots, broccoli, and rice from the #1 Chinese food restaurant in America, which we found right outside of the park.
Is that where you got the rice from? I love that. It's a great hack.
You ever have this? The Bachan's
Yeah.
is the magic.
It lives in my fridge. The whole
It is the
line of
magic.
brand is great. All the stuff
Yeah.
is great.
I think this came out really nicely.
It's
You
excellent.
can do a stir fry with 10 ingredients. You can do a stir fry with 20 ingredients, or you can keep it simple. This is the way my kids like it, and this is the way I like to make it when I'm camping or cooking out of the back of my truck
Just don't
in
forget-
a parking lot.
Just
at
don't
the
forget
beach.
the rice. Don't forget the rice.
With KCUF. We hopped in the car this morning. I said, Sean, I know we forgot something, but
Ugh.
I don't know what it is. And
Well,
it was the rice.
You didn't forget the flavor because this is really delicious. And what a great hack. When in doubt, when you forget the rice, go get it from a professional. Go to a place that makes rice all the time.
Great call. No, Sean was giving me a hard time because I said that this was 6 ingredient stir fry, and I didn't count the sauce and the seasoning as ingredients. Do you think
Okay.
that's like a major cheat? Do you think that I'm being disingenuous?
So it's 8 ingredients.
I don't
6,
count
8.
sauces and seasonings
That's what
as ingredients.
All right.
All right, so it's 8 ingredient stir fry, okay? But it's delicious on the Blackstone Camping Griddle. All right, everybody, we will see you right here. Well, probably actually not right here, but we will see you next week at Camp Griddle.
Thanks, buddy. Boop. Let's go.